welcome back to Gowtham Chennaka YouTube channel. So I'm staying in Tirumala PG, which is near to Madanpalli Institute of Technology and Sciences. So I'm now going to show you my room tour to you. So come with me. I'm going to show you everything which is in my room. So come along with me.
So I'm going to my room, which is in first floor. So I have to come along with me. It's my night room. So I'm going to my night room. So it is
Yeah, come with me. I'm going to show you my room. So here is my room, in which there is 4 cots. The 4 people together staying here. 1 junior along with 3 seniors, final year students. We are from same branch. And then come inside. I will show you more things. Here they provided us 4 hangers. Here is my hanger. I used to hang my cloth there. And here is my friend's hangers. They will hang their cloths there. And coming to beds, here is junior bed, and these 2 are my friend beds. And junior used to keep his assets here. And then coming to next point, it is very good facility that every cot having individual sockets, so that we can keep our chargers, your laptop charging, phone charging very easily. Whenever we are sleeping also, it's very useful to us. And then coming to next point, here we use it to store our luggages. Inside the cot also we can store our luggages also. And then coming here, come with me. Here there is 4 racks provided for us. First rack we can see that junior rack, and then this is my rack, and then it is my friend rack. Here you can see the trunk, which is old type of trunk. In this trunk you can see my friend used to store some food items as well as his clothes. Any important things he used to store inside the trunk. And then coming to next rack, there you can see the books from final year to first year, for first year to final year. All the books he can store there. Assets, some work related assets are there. And then coming very down to earth, there is some shoes which we used to wear for colleges, everything, but they are old because we are staying here from since 4 years, right? So they became too old. And then coming to here is my bathroom. So we used to bath here. Here is the bathroom. And then so you can see there the Wi-Fi, which is very good Wi-Fi with 10 MB to 20 MB speed. And then we are provided one roof. There we can stay, store some books and everything which is related to, if we buy anything means we can throw there. And then here is the egg boiler. We used to boil our eggs. I think daily or day by day we can boil eggs. And then coming to next point, I need to explain my bed. This is my bed. In this bed I used to lay, I used to listen, and here is the socket. I used to charge my mobile as well as my laptop here. And then coming to next point, here is my chair. In this I'm putting my laptop, my assets, and here is my assets. I use my perfume and serum and tonic and tablets as well as pens. Some things are there, power bank, everything related to me is there. And then coming here, there is my junior's assets. He will store his clothes as well as books, everything. Here is the another type of trunk. In this trunk he will store his clothes as well as some things related to him. And then this is the important things that you need to see in my room. So next, coming out of my room, yeah, here is the environment. By this environment we will get some fresh air into our room. And then you can see that there's good mountains too. If the rain coming means the fresh breeze come to my room very freshly, then it will be very cool for us. It will be very useful because there is some good environment outside. And then come here. Here you can see so many waste products are there, because we used to brush our teeth here, and also our waste will be thrown here, like that's the reason why here it is. And there you can see that parking area, bikes who are staying in this hostel, bikes, cars, everything will be parked here. And then coming to next point, here will come the hot water. So whenever you wish to take your bath, you can collect here hot water. It's very hot, so you can take this hot water for your bath. So this is the entire thing. And there is our hostel mess. On that mess we are going to eat our food from morning to evening. And this is the entire things that I need to tell you about my room and my place. This is all about. Okay, thank you for watching. Signing off, Gowtham Chennaka. Hi friends, welcome back to Gowtham Chennaka YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you my home tour. Room tour.